Hello and welcome to Tiny Talks with Dr. Anjali Deep. We are here to help you out in your conditions. Today, we are going to talk about the sciatica. Yes, my dear friend, you must be suffering from this. Now it's time to get relief. And also, at the end, we are going to discuss how homeopathically we can treat this disease condition. Let's get started. Sciatica is a pain that starts from lower back and travels down one or both of the legs. It basically happens because of the nerve called sciatic nerve, which is one of the biggest nerve in our body. This nerve runs from lower back through your hips and down your legs. When something presses and irritates this nerve, it causes pain, tingling, or even numbness. But why this sciatica happens? Let me explain you in a simple way. Think of sciatic nerve as an electrical wire. If something pinches and bothers this wire, it sends pain signals. And common reason for this condition includes slip disc in your spine, which is basically a cushion between your bones that get out of the place and presses on the nerve, due to which you experience the pain. Second reason can be the tight muscles. The tight muscle of your lower back or hip that squeezes the nerve, due to which you can experience the pain. Third reason can be sitting too long, lifting heavy weight, or a bad posture can also create this. Fourth reason can be sometime condition like pregnancy or arthritis can put pressure on the nerve. But how will you understand that this pain is due to the sciatica? Let me tell you this. Again, it differs from person to person. A sharp burning pain in your lower back, buttocks, or leg. Second symptom that you will experience in sciatica, that is tingling, like pins and needles are pinching in your foot. Numbness or weakness, making it hard to move your leg or foot. Pain might get worse when you sit for a long time or bend or do cuffing. If you are experiencing all of these symptoms, then my dear friend, you are suffering from sciatica. But again, the pain and tingling and numbness are most important to diagnose sciatica. So if you are experiencing this video is only for information purpose. You must consult a doctor before you make any of the diagnosis. Here comes your favorite section, that is the homemade solutions. So what can you do to avoid this pain? Taking rest can help you in first place, but not too much. Lie down to take off the pressure from your back. Why it is important to rest? Because it will release the pressure from your back, but again, don't lie down on your bed for whole day. Apply heat or ice packs. Ice pack will help you to reduce the swelling in first few days. After that, warm heating pad can relax your tight muscle. Try it 15 minutes at a time. It will help you. Do gentle stretches. Simple stretches, for example, you can do, try pulling one of your knee to your chest while you are lying down. Picture beside me will give you a clear understanding what I am talking about. These simple stretches for your lower back and leg can lose the tight muscles. Fourth and most important thing, stay active. Walking or light exercise can also help you. Avoid sitting for too long. Get up and move every 30 minutes. And last but not the least, your good posture. Sit and stand straight. Use chair with back support to avoid slouching. What is slouching? This is. Avoid this. Now comes my favorite section, that is how homeopathically we can help you out in this condition. See, sciatica is a condition where homeopathic medicine will help you to reduce the pain up to 60 to 70%. And in few cases, if you have arrived early, then we can relieve the symptom totally and restore your health. There are number of medicine in homeopathy which act in this condition and give you relief. So yes, my dear friends, of course, homeopathy do work in the cases of sciatica. But again, it will depend upon the condition of disease. How far the pathology has gone. So do try homeopathic medicine for your complaint of sciatica and share your experience to us and to world so that more people get connected to homeopathy and we are able to help more people through homeopathy. Thank you for listening to me. You are listening to Dr. Anjali Deep Singh Rajput from Shubh Homeopathy. Thank you.